Hey, what's up guys? We are here today with another video. I want to reach out to all of my friends and family out there because it's a new year. Some of us didn't get to take advantage of the market last year or the year prior for that matter. And I want to make sure that we all understand exactly what we need in order to get into some real estate in 2022. So today I'm going to break down what a loan officer is looking at, because when I first started real estate, I always wondered, what is it that lenders look at as far as credit goes, income, credit history? So today, I'm going to break it down into 5 easy steps as to what the lenders are looking for. And you'll notice that all of my points are going to start with C today because it goes along with the credit history that we're talking about, or credit overall, I should say. So when it comes to credit, one of the first things that lenders are going to be looking at is the character of your credit. So this means they're looking at the applicant's credit history overall, whether you've had mortgages, whether you've had car payments or car notes, foreclosures or short sales. All of these things are an accumulation of what your credit character is going to look like. The second thing that they'll be looking at is the capacity of your credit. So this means how much credit you can borrow or are eligible for. They take your income currently, and there is a big long sheet that you fill out to put your debts down there. Again, whether it's a mortgage debt, credit card, student loan, those kind of things that come up on our history. Because what the loan officer is going to do is going to calculate what your debt to income ratio is, because this is going to help formulate exactly what we need, how we need to structure your loan. The third C that we're going to talk about when it comes to credit is capital. So capital is going to be how much cash you have on hand in your checking account, in your savings account, in a money market account, a 401k retirement account. That's right. You can actually dip into your retirement accounts when you're looking to purchase a property. If this is something you are looking to do, make sure that you do let your loan officer know that you have some capital saved away. The fourth C is going to be collateral. So collateral is an asset that can be used to back or act as a security for the loan that you're going to be acquiring. So some loans will require that you have some kind of collateral like a house. Some people require collateral like a car, a credit card even. There's various ways that you can use collateral, but it does have to be an asset. So the last C that we're going to talk about today is going to be conditions. So the conditions of credit, what are we applying for? What kind of loan are we applying for? How much is the amount of the loan that you're going to be applying for? And most importantly, what a lot of us want to know out there is how much interest are we going to be paying on this loan? So during the conditions phase, they will be able to spell out exactly what your APR or your annual percentage rate is going to be. We also call it an interest rate as well, but in case you hear it as APR or annual percentage rate, it's synonymous with interest rates. So guys, these are 5 quick C's that the lenders are looking at when we're talking about credit, credit history, credit capacity, the collateral that you have, the capital that you have, and all of these things are going to help us formulate and structure a good loan for you in order to turn around and purchase a property. So if you're thinking about getting into the market in 2022, I cannot emphasize we need to stop thinking and we need to start doing, because the last 2 years, guys, my past clients have actually acquired so much equity over these last 2 years that they are starting to make moves in just that time frame. Granted, this isn't always going to happen in the market, but the old saying goes, when the iron is hot, strike, because the opportunities right now may not be there a year from now, even 6-8 months from now. So I want to help educate you guys and share any and everything that I know in order to help you guys make good, solid financial decisions out there when it comes to real estate. So if you would all do me a favor, like, subscribe, comment on this particular video, and share it with somebody who you know could take advantage of this information. And if there's anything in the world I can do for you in the meantime, 480-235-0617 is my number. Call me, text me any time of the day. I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.